NASA scientists recently made a shocking discovery which has stunned the scientific world. NASA's discovery suggests that our world may be nearing its end, which was revealed 1,500 years ago by Prophet Muhammad in his Hadith. NASA, in collaboration with Japan's Togo University, developed an advanced universal model using one of the world's most powerful supercomputers. They fed it every known detail about the universe, including stars, planets, gravity, and cosmic motion. When they calculated how long humans can live on Earth, the results were terrifying. Scientists discovered that Earth will not be destroyed instantly. The sun will be responsible for the slow and gradual end of the world. According to NASA, the sun will gradually approach Earth. Its heat will grow to unimaginable proportions. The Earth's temperature will rise dangerously high, causing oceans to evaporate, oxygen to disappear, and no living creatures to survive. Eventually, the sun will draw the Earth into itself. Pay close attention, as science and the Prophet's words intersect. In an authentic hadith, the Prophet Muhammad stated that on the Day of Judgment, the sun will be brought so close to the people that it will only be 1 or 2 miles away. Another narration describes the distance as the length of a spear. According to the Prophet, the proximity and intensity of the heat can cause people to melt. They will drown in their own sweat due to their actions. The more sinful a person is, the deeper he will sink in sweat. Today, NASA's supercomputer confirms our findings. The sun's extreme heat and proximity will be the cause of the end of life on Earth. Friends, this is just one discovery. NASA's research includes many findings that are consistent with Islamic revelations. Let's get to another astonishing fact. NASA scientists discovered that the moon was split into 2 parts and then rejoined. A visible line on the moon's surface confirms the ancient crack.
This immediately reminds us of the Quranic event of Shaqqul Qamar, or the splitting of the moon. When Mecca's disbelievers demanded a miracle, Allah split the moon into 2 parts using the Prophet's gesture. They saw it with their own eyes. Today, NASA research provides scientific proof of this miracle. Now listen to another discovery. NASA discovered an area in outer space where no sound, signal, or electromagnetic wave can travel, a place of complete silence and total darkness. They named it the Cosmic Silence Zone. But the Quran already mentions it. Allah says in Surah Al-Anbiya that He made the sky a protective canopy, a barrier through which nothing can pass. Science is now confirming the divine protection. NASA astronauts also reported that as they ascend above Earth, it becomes more difficult to breathe. The chest tightens, oxygen levels decrease, and pressure drops. The Quran described this long before technology existed. In Surah Al-An'am, Allah states, "Whom Allah wills to misguide, He makes his chest tight and constricted, as if he is climbing into the sky." This is why climbers on the highest peaks must carry oxygen tanks. Without them, a person may faint and die in seconds. This is why astronauts wear highly specialized suits, not for show, but to ensure proper oxygen, pressure, and temperature. In space, human blood can boil and cause the body to burst. Science only recently discovered this. The Quran stated it 1,500 years ago. NASA also discovered massive underground water reservoirs, far exceeding the ocean's capacity. This water is stored inside rocks. Allah has already stated in the Quran, "We sent down water from the sky in precise measure and lodged it in the earth." Then, NASA made another shocking discovery.
When 2 seas meet, a hidden barrier separates them. Even though their waters are in contact, they do not completely mix. Every sea has its own temperature, salinity, and density. The scientific community was stunned. However, the Quran had already declared, He released the 2 seas, which met side by side. There is a barrier between them that they cannot cross. Now,
for the most delicate discovery. NASA's embryology experts investigated how humans are formed. They discovered that the embryo in its earliest stage resembles a leech-like clot attached to the womb wall. Then bones form, then flesh covers the bones. Surah Al-Mu'minun describes these stages precisely. We formed the drop into a clinging clot. The clot then formed into a lump. We then formed the lump into bones. Then we covered the bones with flesh. NASA confirms the same sequence as revealed in the Quran 1500 years ago. Friends, these facts are not coincidences. The Quran is clearly Allah's word and Muhammad is his final messenger. May Allah help us understand the Quran, act on it, and stay on the straight path. Friends, what are your thoughts on today's video? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it. Your support inspires us. Inshallah, we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, please take care of yourselves. May Allah protect you all.